What's the real difference between brushed and brushless DC motors? And which one should you pick? Quick hook. One uses tiny physical brushes to switch current. The other uses electronics to do that switching. That single change flips the script on cost, efficiency, noise, and lifespan. Brushed first. Inside, carbon brushes rub a copper commutator to flip current and keep the rotor spinning. It's elegantly simple. I can power it with a battery and a switch. Done. Pros: cheap, easy to drive, great starting torque, works fine at low speeds. Cons: friction and sparks mean more wear, more heat, more electrical noise, expect brush dust, maintenance, shorter lifespan. Efficiency, often around 70–80%. Noise, you'll hear it. Brushless next. No brushes. Electronics do the switching, usually an ESC, feeding coils in a precise rhythm while permanent magnets ride along. Pros: higher efficiency, often 85–90% plus, more power for the same size, cooler running, quieter, way longer life, better speed control, smoothness. Cons: needs a controller, costs more upfront, a bit more complex to set up. So how do I decide? On a tight budget or running simple low-voltage projects? Brushed wins. Think basic toys, quick prototypes, cheap actuators, need reliability, long runtime, or quiet operation. Go brushless. Drones, e-bikes, e-scooters, server fans, RC planes, high torque at stall or slow crawl without fancy control. Brushed is straightforward. Precise speed control. Brushless. High RPM. Brushless. Maximum efficiency per battery. Brushless all day. Dusty or flammable environments. Brushless. No brush sparks. Maintenance tolerance. Okay, swapping brushes. Brushed. Want set and forget? Brushless. Bottom line. Brushed is simplicity and upfront savings. Brushless is performance, longevity, and efficiency. If I'm building something I want to last, and I care about battery life and noise, I go brushless. If I just need motion fast and cheap, I grab a brushed motor and ship it. Now you can choose with confidence.